Welcome back to Product Critique, where today, we're diving into a galaxy far, far away with a special treat: Star Wars Oreo cookies. Whether you're a Jedi Master or Sith Lord at heart, these cookies promise to bring the Force to your taste buds. Let's see if they truly live up to the hype as the best Star Wars-themed snack on the market. Crafted by the iconic Oreo brand in collaboration with Star Wars, these cookies come in two exciting varieties: the dark side with red cream and the light side with blue cream. Each pack features Kyber-inspired sugar crystals and showcases 10 different character designs, from Darth Vader to Yoda. The packaging itself, adorned with artwork by Greg Hildebrandt, adds to the allure of this special edition treat. Now, let's talk taste. The cookies are classic Oreo chocolate wafer, which is always a win. The cream fillings are where the magic happens. The red cream has a hint of mystery and intensity, while the blue cream offers a more serene and refreshing taste. Both feature a pleasing sweetness that complements the chocolate wafer perfectly. What sets these Star Wars Oreo cookies apart are the special features. Each pack contains a QR code for an extended digital experience, perfect for any Star Wars enthusiast looking to dive deeper into the lore. It's a thoughtful touch that enhances the enjoyment beyond just snacking. Whether you're enjoying these cookies solo, with a glass of milk, or sharing them at a Star Wars-themed gathering, they fit right in. The resealable packaging keeps them fresh, making them ideal for various occasions, from office snacks to movie nights. In conclusion, Star Wars Oreo cookies are not just a snack, they're an experience. With their delicious taste, thematic design, and ties to the Star Wars universe, they're a must-have for any fan. If you haven't tried them yet, what are you waiting for? May the flavor be with you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Star Wars Oreo cookies. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, may your snacks be as epic as your adventures. This is Product Critique, signing off.